Hi, today I want to give you a short review and couple of close-ups of my new wireless earbuds that I recently bought on Amazon. I have a couple of pairs of wireless earbuds, but none of them have that hook that goes around the ear to secure those when you exercise. Also, you can see that the earpiece is angled correctly towards the inside of your ear. In a package you receive earbuds, user manual, charging cable, and replacement rubber earpieces in two different sizes. They charge pretty fast in about 2 hours, and their standby time is about 100 hours. Earbuds come in the school leather carrying case, which also works as the charging base. To charge your earbuds, all you have to do is put them on the charging base, and when the charging base needs recharging, all you have to do is connect micro USB cable to the base and get it charged. After using those earbuds for about a week, I really like the design, that they finally fit perfectly on my ear, and I feel that they are totally secure and I will not gonna lose them when I exercise, because the hook secures it perfectly around my ear. Also, I like that there's a perfect balance between high tones and low tones. When you want to buy any earbuds, you want to have a good quality, good sound quality, and those really provide excellent sound quality. When turning it on, all you have to do is push the button on the top, and they will start connecting with your phone or any other device. To power it off, you hold it for 3 seconds and they will power off. So to pair your device with any smartphone or any other Bluetooth enabled device, all you have to do is just turn your Bluetooth on, power the headphones on. Once they're gonna be on, you're looking for S7 device. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna pair, and that's it. So overall, I really like those earbuds. They have a great design, they have a very good sound quality, perfect balance of high and low tones. They feel like they are noise cancelling. There is no special button to turn this on and off, but they feel like they are noise cancelling headphones. You really cannot hear anything while working out in a noisy environment. That earpiece is really great. They are sweat proof, and I can imagine you can probably use them in the rain. There is really nothing bad that I can tell about those earbuds. I just really like them, and I hope you like them too. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.